Hello guys, it's Dio again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to analyze your reference. I'm going to be showing you how to study the values, which is the black, the white, the gray, which stands for the highlights, the midtones, and the dark sheets of the reference. So before then, you try and convert your image into a monochrome, which is the black and white filter. Every editor, both on Android, on PC, and on iPad, does that. So today we are going to be categorizing, and we're going to be identifying the different basic colors of which is the value of the references. I'm going to be teaching you how to identify the colors on your reference. So the green stands for the shade, which is the shadow, the darkest part of the references, your reference. So, and also the red stands for your highlights, and which is the lightest part of the reference. And we're going to be applying another additional color, which is yellow, which is the mid-tone, and which is the base color of your reference, which is the middle tone. The middle tone is the color in between the black and white. So it's not too black, it's not too dark, and it's not too white, which is considered your middle tone. Some call it mid-tone, some call it base color, but it's all the same thing. So you can call it the base color, you can call it the mid-tone. Just remember, it is the middle tone between the darkest part and the lightest part of your reference. So you can just replace the colors just to understand the colors much more better. It seems like the green and the yellow and the red colors are going to distract you from understanding the concept behind this, so I'm trying to replace the colors with the black, the white, and the gray, so as to show you the literal representation of what I'm saying. And it's going to help you to understand it much more better. So I'm going to be replacing the darkest part with the black color, and which is the shade color, which is the shadow color for the shadow. And also I'm going to be replacing the white color, the highlights, with the white color, which is the lightest part of your reference. And also the gray color is going to be used for the base color, which is the middle tone, and which is the middle tone, which is in between the darkest part and the lightest part of your reference. So with the knowledge of this, you can now use these three basic colors. You can use these three basic colors to shade. You can use it for your painting, so for you not to get distracted when painting, you can just use these three basic colors for your painting. Then you can later convert them into your own colors. There are multiple colors on pictures. There are multiple colors on the skin of a human being, so you get so much distracted if you're a beginner. So it's advisable to use three basic color, which is the white, black, and the gray. You already know the meaning of those three colors, which are called the value. The black stands for the shadow, the white stands for the highlight, and the gray stands for the mid-tone. So thanks for watching. See you in